Okay, in this video today, we're going to show you how to harden your Telegram. So you need to go over here to the little hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner. Go down to Settings. Then go over to Privacy and Security. And this is where we can make a few changes. Looks like I have a few people blocked. The phone number, no one needs to see my number. If they know me, they can find me because I might be in their contacts. And we're going to go ahead and press save. Last seen online, you can also turn this off, or you can put it on for my contacts. Not everybody needs to see when you were last online. Forwarded messages, I'm okay with leaving this on. Profile picture, mine is of my lab, so I'm okay. If it had my picture, my real picture, I might just have it for my contacts only. Voice calls, I don't really want anybody calling me on Telegram. I prefer Signal, much better, more secure. Group channel, groups and channels for my contacts only. I can see all my active sessions. I'm not necessarily going to show them to you, but they are all there. I can change my passcode. I can disable, and I have my desktop auto lock if I'm gone for 5 hours. Some of you will not have your local passcode on there. I do, and that is something that you can enable. Two-step verification, I have that enabled. I don't have disable filtering on, and if I am away for 12 months, then my account will be deleted. So the one thing that I want to just point out a little bit is that, have you had the experience where you are all of a sudden invited to someone's group and you have no idea how you got there? You don't know if it's a real group or a fake group, or it's someone shilling cryptos and here, buy this, and you can't add anything into the room itself. It's just there for their advertising. Well, if you turn it from everybody, which I believe is the default, to my contacts, that'll just kind of go away unless you really have some bad contacts that will want to, send you to rooms that you don't really want to go. But that's where I really started this journey, was because I was tired of being thrown into rooms and without my knowledge. Some of them appeared to be legit rooms. And I all of a sudden figured out that no, this is not the official Telegram room for a particular company, coin, token, community. And that's when I kind of got onto this and stopped that by only allowing my contacts to add me to a group or channel. So that's it for now. Thanks a lot.